Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to edit images right here on the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. First, click on the image you want to work on, and on the action bar above, click on Edit Image. The Photo Studio window will open, and this is where you will find all of the tools you'll need to work on your image. Here you have the crop and extend tool, where you can choose from crop sizes and orientation. And if you want to switch to the extend tab, you can choose how big you'd like your image to extend. AI will then analyze the image for you and extend it according to your desired size and orientation. Moving on, we have the Adjust tool where you can manually tweak your brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, color saturation, and so much more. Then we have filters in case you want to apply filters to your image for that certain look and feel. Then we have the Object Eraser tool. So basically, you adjust your brush size over here and brush out the areas you'd like to erase. Then we have the AI Image Editor. You can adjust your brush size and mark the area you would like to change, type in what you want it to be changed here, and Wix's AI will analyze your photo and change the object that you highlighted to the object you've input on your prompt. Then we have the regenerate your image tool. So you have this image right here as your starting point to get exactly what you're looking for by allowing AI to analyze it and edit it according to the prompt that you can edit. Next, we have the cutout tool in case you want to create cutouts. Then we have text in case you want to add a simple caption or text element, decorative shapes and illustrations, overlays, and a plain background or another image background. So feel free to edit your image however you want to using the tools on this window. And once you're done, don't forget to click on Save so that the changes you've made to your image will be applied to it. And basically, that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.